Today, we're exploring the journey of James Lujan, the former sheriff of Arriba County, New Mexico, whose career was defined by high-stakes authority before it unraveled in a series of legal battles and a high-profile criminal conviction. Once a powerful law enforcement official, Lujan's legacy was tarnished when he was accused of using his badge to shield a friend from the law, leading to a dramatic fall from grace that captivated the state. So, where is Sheriff James Lujan now? Let's find out. James Lujan's legal troubles peaked in 2021 when he was convicted on felony charges of aiding a felon and intimidating a witness. The charges stemmed from a 2017 incident where Lujan helped a former Española city councilman avoid arrest during a high-speed chase and subsequent police standoff. After his sentencing, Lujan was ordered to serve 3 years in prison, marking a historic low for the Arriba County Sheriff's Office. Despite his claims that the prosecution was politically motivated, he began serving his sentence in 2021. While behind bars, Lujan and his legal team remained active, filing multiple appeals to overturn his conviction. In August 2024, the New Mexico Court of Appeals upheld his original convictions, dealing a major blow to his efforts to clear his name. However, having served approximately 18 months of his sentence, Lujan was released from the Central New Mexico Correctional Facility in 2023. Since his release, he has moved from being a defendant to a plaintiff, shifting his focus toward legal retaliation against those he blames for his downfall. Where is Sheriff James Lujan now? As of now, James Lujan is out of prison and currently residing in New Mexico. Having completed the incarceration phase of his sentence, he has spent the last year aggressively pursuing a civil rights lawsuit he filed in January 2025 against the city of Española and several high-ranking police officials. Lujan alleges that he was the victim of a conspiracy and that law enforcement officers committed perjury during his trial to ensure he was removed from office. Professionally, Lujan is no longer allowed to serve in law enforcement due to his felony convictions. Instead, his career has transitioned into a full-time legal battle to restore his reputation. His lawsuit continues to move through the courts in 2026, though legal experts note that the 2024 appellate court ruling upholding his conviction makes his civil claims an uphill battle. James Lujan has transformed from the top lawman in his county into a convicted felon fighting to rewrite his history. While he remains a polarizing figure in New Mexico politics, he continues to prove that he is not going down without a fight, prioritizing his legal vindication above all else. Thanks for reading. If you want more episodes on the rise and fall of public figures and their journeys through the justice system, don't forget to follow along for more updates.